Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling or disabling a guest account on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, you'll come back with command prompt, right click on it, and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now the first command is going to turn on the guest account. So go ahead and copy that from the description of my video. And then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select that and paste that in. Net user guest space / active yes. Should say the command completed successfully. So if you went ahead and actually restarted your computer, so that's actually what I recommend doing right now. So then if you went back to the lock screen after you restart your computer, you should be able to see the guest account. Now, if you don't want to see a guest account, you can just open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, command prompt. We're going to go ahead and run that as administrator again. Again, this is to disable the guest account. So second command in the description video ends with active :no. So go ahead and copy that command. And we're going to paste that into the command prompt here. Net user guest space / active :no. Command completed successfully. Go ahead and close out of here. You would need to restart your computer for that change to take effect as well. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.